So guys, before starting the video, make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link will be there in the description. Subscribe the channel and like the video as well. Now let's start with the cinematics. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today's video will be on the Hyundai Creta. Now this is the front look of the vehicle. You can see the grille along with the white finish and Hyundai logo as well. The Hyundai logo is very big actually, and these are the headlamps of the vehicle. DRLs over here, LED DRLs, and this is the projector headlamp along with this black finish which looks very nice. And the overall headlamp look is like this. You get a fog lamp which is halogen sadly, and this is the overall front look of the car. You can see diffuser sort of treatment over there. And now we'll move to the side of this car. So you can see the side is kind of nice. These are the wheels, and this is the base model actually. So the wheel size happens to be 200/565 R16 and steel wheels. The wheel quality is kind of nice as such, Apollo wheels, and these are the IRVM of the car, and here is the indicator as well. So the overall side look happens to be like this as such. Okay, so that is the thing, and the rear is like this. You can see LED tail lamps once again which are matched with the front headlamp as well. And here you can see fog lamps, not the fog lamps but yeah, reverse light over here. So that is the thing. You can see Creta badging over here. This is the Hyundai logo as well. And let us open the boot of this car. So you can open it from here as such, and here it goes. So this is the boot which is very big, and here is the luggage lamp as well. And let us see the spare wheel of this car. So you have to pull it like this. This is the same size wheel. Well, it is or not. Yeah, same size wheel, 200/565 R16 over here as well. That is a nice thing. Thumbs up to Hyundai. And here is some storage space as well. Same is the case over here as well. And now I think I have to turn the flash on. So here it goes. So this is the side look. You can see silver finish over there, and we'll see the rear door first. So this is the rear door of the car. You can see dual tone treatment over there, black and beige, and you can see grab handle over here, and not the grab handle actually, but you can put your hand and close the door. This is the speaker of the car, bottle holder over here, and this is the seat which is again designed in dual tone black and white I think. So that is the thing. Here is no scuff plate whatsoever but a plastic. So we'll remove that and sit inside the vehicle. So yeah, I am inside the car, and you have decent amount of, not decent but very nice amount of space over here. These headrests are not adjustable actually, but here you do not get any kind of center armrest. These are the AC vents of the car, you can see, and here is some storage space once again, and this is the adjustable armrest. So yeah, those are the things. Here's the grab handle along with this hook. The case here is different, and this is the light of the car, and this is the overall dashboard look. You do not get music system. That does not look very nice. Let's go to the front. So let's open the front door of this car, and here you can see the driver side door, black and beige finish, and here are the outside rear view mirrors control. Here is the switch to lock and unlock the car. These are the power window switches. Here's the handle, and you can see bottle holder. You can keep 2 bottles over here. There is some storage space as well. This is the 6-way adjustable seat, and headlight leveler as well. And here is the AC vent. And let us close the door of the car. Here we go. So this is the instrument cluster of the car. There is the tachometer. This is the engine temperature thing, and here is the MID in between. So that is the thing. This is the steering wheel of the car, D-cut steering wheel you can see, and tilt adjustable as well. So here we go. It is not telescopic in the top variant as well. And let us push the seat all the way behind. बहुत कम push होती है ये. So you can see this is the thing. And here are the AC vents. There is no music system because of the base variant. This is the hazard lamp switch, which is nice, and this is to adjust the airflow of the car. And here is the button to keep the air inside the car, and this is the blower knob as well. This is the AC button over here, and this is the temperature adjuster. Here you can see 12V charging socket, and this is the gear lever of the vehicle, 6-speed manual transmission. If you want to shift it into reverse, you have to do it like that. Yeah, now it has shifted itself. And here you can see 2 bottle holders. This is the handbrake of the car, and this is the armrest. So you can see decent amount of storage spaces over here. This is the driver side sun visor along with this ticket holder. There is no light, and this is the IRVM, which is day night adjustable, and this is the passenger side sun visor with this vanity mirror, and this is the glove box, which is cooled. Storage space inside this glove box is not much. So that is the overall look of the dashboard of the car, which is decent. If you will put a touch screen over here, तो look बहुत ज़्यादा enhance हो जाएगा. And here is the leatherish type of treatment, but it is not leather actually. It is a plastic only. Yes, it is. And you get a lot of hard plastics on the vehicle. That is the thing. The quality levels could be a bit better, but fit and finish is very nice in this car. And guys, that was my review for the Hyundai Creta. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. The link will be there in the description, and we'll meet in the next one. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.